Hey. Is that you, John?
Oh wow, Sarah. Long time no see. How have you been?
I've been great, thanks. What about you?
I'm doing well too. It's been years since we last met. What have you been up to?
Well, I moved to another city for work, but now I'm back. What about you?
That's amazing. I've been working at a new company, and I recently started learning photography.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What kind of photos do you take?
Mostly landscapes and portraits. I love capturing beautiful moments.
That's so cool. I always wanted to try photography. Maybe you can teach me.
Of course. We can go to the park this weekend and take some pictures.
That sounds like a great idea. By the way, are you still in touch with our old friends?
Yes. I sometimes meet up with Mike and Emily. We should all get together soon.
Yes. Let's plan something. How about dinner this Saturday?
That sounds perfect. I'll message everyone and confirm.
Great. I can't wait to catch up with everyone. It was so nice seeing you again, John.
Same here, Sarah. See you on Saturday.